Welcome to the world of web development. Have you ever wondered how websites work? Let's dive into the basics of HTTP. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It's a set of rules that allows devices to communicate with each other over the internet. HTTP is used to transfer data, like text, images, and videos, between a client, like your browser, and a server. Here's a step-by-step explanation of how HTTP works, breaking down the process into simple, easy-to-understand steps. First, a client, like your browser, sends an HTTP request to a server. This request can be for a web page, an image, or any other resource available on the web. Then the server processes the request. It looks for the requested resource and prepares an HTTP response. This response includes the requested data and some additional information, like the status of the request. Finally, the client receives the response and displays the requested data. This could be a web page loading in your browser, an image appearing, or any other content you requested. This entire process happens in just a few seconds, making the web feel instantaneous. HTTP uses different methods to perform various actions on the web. These methods define the type of operation that is to be performed. The most common methods are 1. Get, which retrieves data from a server. This is like reading information from a book. 2. Post, which sends data to a server to create or update resources. Think of it as submitting a form to register for an event. 3. Put, which updates existing data on a server. It's like editing a document to correct or add new information. And 4. Delete, which deletes data from a server. Imagine it as erasing a file from your computer. These methods are fundamental to web communication. HTTP status codes are essential indicators that tell us the outcome of an HTTP request. They help us understand whether a request was successful, if there was an error, or if further action is needed. Here are some common status codes. First, 200 OK, which means the request was successful, and the server returned the requested resource without any issues. Second, 404 not found, indicating that the server could not find the requested resource. This often happens when the URL is incorrect, or the resource has been moved or deleted. And third, 500 internal server error, which means the server encountered an unexpected condition that prevented it from fulfilling the request. This is usually a problem on the server side. That's a brief overview of HTTP. Understanding how HTTP works is essential for web development and online communication. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or topics you'd like to explore further, leave a comment below.